Hi families. So today we also learned how to find a missing side length if we know the other side and we know the perimeter of the figure. Now we have to remember that perimeter is the outside of our figure. And to find perimeter, we want to add up the lengths of all four sides. So if we know that this side's 8, then we know that this side is also 8. Opposite sides are the same. And so what we can do is we can use these two sides to help us figure out the other two sides. If we want to find perimeter, we know that we need to add. So we're going to start by adding this side and this side, the two sides we know, to figure out how much those two sides are equal to. 8 plus 8 is 16. So together, these two sides are 16. We need to figure out what's the difference between 16 for these two sides and 22, the length of all four sides. If we subtract 22, the perimeter of all four sides, and 16, the length of the two sides, we're going to find out how much is left to fill up these two sides. If I have 2, you can't take 6, so I need to go next door, borrow a group of 10. Now I have an extra group of 10. I had 2 plus the extra group of 10. So now I have 12 ones. 12 ones minus 6 ones, I can do that. I would have a 6 left over. If I have 1 and you take 1, I have 0 left over. So we know that 6 is going to be the length of these two sides put together. I can't put a 6 here and a 6 here because then my perimeter would be too long. So I need to think about what number could I put here and that same number here to equal 6. And so what I want to do is I want to split 6 equally between these two sides, which I know that if I'm splitting a number into equal parts, that's really like doing division. If I have 6 and I need to split it in 2 parts, each part is going to be 3. This is 3 units, and that means this is 3 units. Now let's check. Let's add these back up. 8 plus 8, we know is 16. 3 plus 3 is 6. 16 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Perimeter is 22 units, which is exactly what we started with. I hope this video is helpful. If you watch this one first, be sure to look for my second video, which is finding the missing side length if you know one side and the area.